After creating my Trueffort license and installing the information collector agent, the next step is to invite my team members to join my Trueffort license. My team should receive an email with the link to create an account and join the workspace. If you are a user invited to a license and want to know what to do when invited to a team in Trueffort, click on this video or find the link to that video in the description box. Once my team is part of the license, they need to download the Information Collector Agent installer and install it on their computer. If you want to see the detailed configuration of applications and work schedules, click on this video or go to the description below, where you will find the link to that tutorial. After assigning the applications and schedules, I can observe my team's productivity and analyze our performance to achieve our goal.